Hi and thank you for watching. Today's video is going to be quite casual, but I just wanted to give a proper review on one of my new Louis Vuitton purchases. I'll show you what it is. Oh, perfect. Sometimes he wants to be on my lap. How'd you know this video is going to be about you? So this is Sebastian, but we're not doing the review on him. We already know you're lovely. This is Sebastian Phineas, and he's almost 3. And we finally decided to purchase the xoxo, is that how you say it? The dog carrier, and this is in the size 50. I saw on the website that it was available, which it almost never is. So I just was like, oh, maybe people will consider buying it, but probably by the time I put this up, it will be sold out again. So I have a Chihuahua. She's looking at me right now. And she's almost 13 years old. I got her when I was 17. So she's turning 13 and I'm turning 30. Ever since I've had her, she's been the way that she is now. Her demeanor, she's like really calm. She's not super affectionate. She doesn't like pictures. Like if I take my camera out, she puts her ears down. Like she doesn't like it. If I take her for walks and all that kind of stuff, she's really stressed out and I can feel it. She doesn't like people. She doesn't like dogs. So I don't bring her around. I got this boy right here. This is Sebastian Phineas. He goes by Sebastian. He has like 2 modes. He's like crazy hyper or he's like this. He's tired right now, thankfully, but I have to work a lot harder to get his energy out. He loves going on walks. He loves riding in the car. He loves meeting other dogs. He only ever barks if he sees people off of the balcony or something like that. But if we're out on the town or we're on a walk, he does not bark. He loves to socialize. If you have a homebody of a dog, it just didn't seem like it was worth purchasing. But this guy, since he loves to go out, it was really worth it. So we purchased this. This is the size 50, so this is the bigger one. And we actually did get this pre-loved. So I got this off of Poshmark. And anything that you purchase that's more than $500 gets authenticated for free. The seller actually sends it to Poshmark and then it gets authenticated, signed off and all that, and then sent to you. So this is it. It looks brand new. I cannot believe how new this is. I love this. I think the size is perfect. There's like one watermark on the vachetta leather. I don't care. There's no patina on the vachetta yet, which I love. He thinks he's going on an adventure, I can tell. We're just showing it off, okay? I could fit both dogs in here, but like I said, she just doesn't like to go out. But this is a really good size. It's so sturdy. It's not heavy though, like it doesn't add too much weight because you have to carry this. The zipper doesn't slide very easily, which I really appreciate. So I've had a few dog carriers from Amazon or just wherever you could find them. They don't really make as many dog carriers now as they used to. Like Paris Hilton had a Dior one and it was so cute. They don't make that anymore and you can't find it pre-loved either. Is this necessary? Not at all. But the ones that I purchased on Amazon, the zipper totally gives. So he can like stick his nose in it and undo the zipper. He actually did that when we were in an elevator with LeBron James and he escaped. So that was kind of embarrassing, but pretty cute nonetheless. I don't want him escaping. The whole point of the dog carrier is to carry the dog. So I'll show you what it looks like. The zipper is not super easy, which I love. I'm trying to do this with one hand. He fits in here so perfect. You can see him through here. So there's nothing scary. He doesn't get scared. Do you like it? He's ready to go. See, he likes it. He's ready to go. Usually when he's in here, he knows we're going somewhere. Cindy is looking at us like, what the heck? So he already has his toy. It's a pink stuffed animal. The bottom stays solid. You know what I mean? Like it's not super heavy. He's heavy. He's 6 pounds, but the bag doesn't add that much more weight. And I love that it stays solid on the bottom. And it is just so structured and nice, heavy duty. This is monogram canvas with some vachetta leather trim. And then on the inside, it's polyester. So it's like very wipeable, really nice in case he makes a mess or something like that. Or, you know, he eats snacks in here or something. Actually, one of my other dog carriers had a lining on the bottom, so I put that in here too. So it's like a little mattress, if you can see right here. And you like it, right? He's super comfortable. He does not mind it. He has no problem when I zip it up. And if I carry him in it, he doesn't mind. If this is seated in the car, he doesn't mind. I just love it so much. He does not make a peep. If you have a dog, I do recommend that you get started on things early, like socialize them early, do car trips early. Cindy does really well in the car too, but we just didn't go out as much. I was 17 when I got her, so I didn't drive. I didn't take her anywhere, so she's not as used to things. But this boy, like, look how he's down for anything. He loves adventures. Maybe this didn't need like a whole video, but I did want to share because this is one of my favorite purchases that I've ever had. I've wanted this thing for a very long time. He was so sleepy earlier, and then he saw this. I don't know if this size is approved for airlines. I'm not really sure, but that's something to look into. It fits really nicely in my front seat. It fits nice in the back seat. We do have some photo shoots with it because I got really excited when I first purchased this. I would have loved to purchase this brand new, but it's always sold out. I think our next step is a Louis Vuitton dog collar. He has a Tiffany one, but I think he ate it. I can't find it anywhere. Stay there, boyo. So this is my little family. Cindy is her own soul, that's for sure. She doesn't even like being pet. So she'll like snuggle up to you. Like if I'm laying on the couch, she'll snuggle right here. But if you start to pet her, she'll leave. Like she just likes to be close. She doesn't like that much affection. She really doesn't like going out. They are complete opposites, but my life is complete. So I haven't seen a pre-loved dog carrier as good as this one, and I've been searching for almost 2 years for one. Poshmark or Fashion File or The Real, and just keep checking Louis Vuitton too because it did come in stock, I promise you. All right, so if you want to see, oh my goodness, I have a lot of other videos on my channel, mostly luxury reviews or things like that. I have light luxury as well. It's not all designer. So if those are things that you like to watch, please tune into the other videos on my channel, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.